Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Scout 235 XSF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, we've got the optional shark gray hull color, white undertone. Standard on this boat is a stainless steel rub rail insert with a white rub rail with integrated LED indicators for your nav lights. Trailer is optional on this boat, but we do have a custom welded magic tilt trailer beneath this boat that fits this boat perfectly if you need a trailer. Moving towards the transom, we have a full walk-across transom, so we can access this portion of the boat from either side, which makes docking really versatile for you. We have a sea-deck type material, synthetic flooring that's nice and soft and comfortable on your feet. Boat's powered with a 250 four-stroke from Yamaha. It's a V6 engine, pushes this boat around 40 miles an hour. Power-assisted hydraulic steering is equipped on this boat. Making our way into the cockpit, you'll notice we have a lockable cockpit door right there. Our boarding ladder is to the starboard side. Good fishing setup back here. I've got a standard live well to the port side. 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders along the back. Nice padded bolster when the stern seat is stowed away. When it's deployed, comfortable for 2 adults within an arm's reach of this stainless steel grab rail for safety, and stows away really nicely. Bolsters throughout the boat that have LED rope lighting throughout the boat. So this boat illuminates really nicely at night. Rod storage beneath the gunnels on both port and starboard. Standard comes a igloo cooler we upgraded for the Yeti beneath the helm seat. Hardtop with optional rocket launchers and optional storage bag. LED lights both fore and aft. Moving forward here to the helm seat. We've got individual bolsters that work independently of each other, so the driver can lean while the passenger sits. Got a nice comfortable setup here. Angled footrest. We've got an Edson steering wheel on an adjustable tilt with a steering knob, and again, power steering. Digital throttle and shift with that Yamaha 250. 942 XS from Garmin is standard on this boat. We've got a lockable glove box to the starboard side with charging ports for your cell phone. Trim tabs are standard. We upgraded for the LED indicators, and Fusion Bluetooth stereo is also standard. Fully glassed windshield with ventilation. This particular boat has a battery charger. We upgraded the head to a self-contained porcelain head with its own holding tank. It's also where your battery switch is located, and access to all the backside of your systems, fuses, etc. Making our way further forward, you can see we've got a ton of lounge space here. Great storage on this boat, and I'll show first. Finished out storage boxes that are drained. Really deep coffin box style storage beneath the forward chase lounge, also drained. That is an insulated lid, so you can use that as a cooler. Drop these back down. Combination rod holder, cup holder receivers, so this boat can accommodate a bow sunshade. Anchor locker is housed forward. JL audio speaker upgrade was on this boat. Again, someone who's well over 6 feet can lounge comfortably. This boat can probably seat 9 comfortably easily and withstand a dozen passengers. Backrest remove easily. Cup holders, recessed area with non-skid. You want to open up this space. Best seat of the house right here. Chase lounge, built-in armrests that are built into the hardtop. 2 adults, a parent and a child, comfortably sit here. And then lastly, this boat has a fresh water wash down that's optional, located right here. That should do it for this Scout 235 XSF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Come by and see us at 142 Sportsman Island Drive, just off Daniel Island, and give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.